How to check if your iPhone is refurbished or new. Let's get started. First, launch your settings. Now navigate to the option General. Head over to the option About. Now look for model number. This tiny piece of text can tell you a lot about your device. If the model number starts with the letter M, that means your iPhone is brand new, purchased directly from Apple or an authorized seller. If it starts with F, it's a refurbished device restored by Apple or a certified provider. If it begins with N, it was issued as a replacement device, usually by Apple Care. And if it starts with P, that means it's a personalized or engraved iPhone. This is the easiest and most reliable way to know your iPhone's history, especially if you bought it from a third-party seller, reseller, or marketplace. Always double-check this when buying a used or discounted iPhone to ensure you are getting what you paid for. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.